Hello, come with me as we make these amazing and delicious chocolate chip cookies. I use margarine and sugar first and then mix it all up together. Well, if you're loaded, you can definitely use butter to give you a nice, lovely and unique taste. However, at this point, all I could afford is margarine. Added in my 2 eggs. And mix it up all nicely, and followed by 1.5 cups of flour, some coconut powder for flavoring, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and mix it all up and knead into this amazing dough. Next step, I bring in my chocolate chips, which give it a nice chocolatey flavor. It also tastes better. Then I mix it all up together until I love what I see. Try to make sure that the chocolate chips are spread through nicely so that it's even and every bit has the chocolate chips. Then I'm going to now cut it into tiny balls, after which they'll then be refrigerated for probably 30 minutes or depending on how much time I have. After that, as you can see, put it into my baking tin, space it all out. I was hoping they would look much better when they came out of the oven, but this being my first time, it's a trial and error game. But this is how they look inside the oven, so they are ready. So you can just let them cool and then ready to eat. There you go. Amazing, right? So maybe try yours. Let me know what you think. See you on the next one.